Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide likes on threads. Maybe you prefer keeping your likes private and you want more control over who sees your post engagements on the application. So today I'm going to show you how to hide likes on threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner, you will see this two lines icon. Simply tap on it to access the settings page. Within settings, look for the privacy option and tap on it. In this page, you can now see this hide likes feature. Simply tap on it. After that, you will be directed to the Instagram settings page. It is because once you have hidden the likes on your Instagram account, you will also hide the likes on your Threads account. Now, to hide the number of likes on your post, simply toggle on the switch next to this Hide Likes option. After that, you now have successfully hidden likes on your Threads account. From now on, the number of likes on your post will remain private, visible only to you. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide likes on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide likes on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.